The world is expanding, and so is the need for global trade. With this greater need for international trade and continual reform to become more effective, it has become imperative to streamline trade business practices. The impacts of economic and political changes affect future business practices. At Pinary, we help global clients with improving their global trade strategies. We support clients through implementation and enhancements of SAP GTS to fit their specific needs. We strive to build innovative solutions within the standards of SAP GTS. The rules and regulations of today are not the rules and regulations of tomorrow. That's why at Pinary we are inventive. We are here to enrich SAP GTS and not reinvent it. We are here to collaborate and augment. We are co-inventors with our clients. It's our strength to work together with our clients and to help them improve their global trade practices. After all, Pinary has been implementing SAP GTS since the first release of GTS. Our founder, Greta Villagran, has created multiple solutions within SAP GTS to help improve global trade practices. We want to share this knowledge and help our clients to remain on the cutting edge of global trade. At Pinary, we are infinitely accurate.